Friend, today we want to learn about beneficial bacteria for human. Then we play the match together. This bacteria, called Lactobacillus acidophilus. This bacterium is useful for lowering bad cholesterol and overcoming diarrhea. This bacteria, called Lactobacillus rhamnosus. This bacterium is useful for overcome diarrhea, protect the digestive tract, and maintain the health of the liver. This bacteria, called Bacillus coagulans. This bacterium is useful for maintain the health of the digestive tract. This bacteria, called Escherichia coli. This bacterium is useful for prevent and treat ulcerative colitis or inflammation of the large intestine. Now you know. Are you ready to play the match? The bacteria was the name. Let's play. Time's up. Are you correct? Great. Wanna play again? Before that, we learn other bacteria. This bacteria, called Lactococcus lactis. This bacterium is useful for help repair the mucosa lining of the intestine. This bacteria, called Lactobacillus reuteri. This bacterium is useful for preventing constipation or diarrhea that affects children. This bacteria, called Saccharomyces boulardii. This bacterium is useful for prevent and treat diarrhea caused by taking antibiotics. This bacteria, called Streptococcus thermophilus. This bacterium is useful for prevent lactose intolerance. Now, you know. Are you ready to play match? The bacteria was the name. Let's play. Are you correct? Good. See you in my next video. Don't forget to